Hi friends, this is your Lesson 7 exit ticket. So you will see on this paper that there are two sets of pictures. Okay, so you're going to look at the picture and you're going to count up what the picture represents and write that number on that line. Then once you have this picture's number here and this picture's number here, you're going to tell me blank is greater than blank. So which one of these numbers is bigger? You're going to put that number first because blank is greater. So we want the bigger number here and then the smaller number here. Okay? Then down for this one, again, you're going to look at the picture, write the number that the picture represents, but this time we're going to write blank is less than blank. So your first number is going to be that smaller number. So blank is less than blank. Which one of these is the smaller number? Write that here, which is less than the bigger number that's written here. Then for 3 and 4, you're going to use our coins. Remember, we talked about coins yesterday. Dimes are the smaller ones. You can see that this is a dime because it's smaller than these coins, okay? So this is a dime. Remember, a dime equals 10. The pennies equal 1. So under this group of coins, I want you to write which number it represents by these coins, okay? So write that number here. Write that number here, and then I want you to circle the set of coins that is greater. So which one of these has a greater value or a bigger number? Is it this set of coins or is it this set of coins? Circle the set of coins that is greater. Then for this one down here, I want you to, again, count how many coins you have. Pay attention to your dimes that are smaller than your pennies. Write that number under each set of coins. And then this time I want you to circle the set of coins that is less. So which one is a smaller amount? Okay, so once you figure out, is this one the less or the smallest number? Or is this one less or the smallest number? Okay, friends, go back, and if you're still confused, go back and watch this video again or go watch your learning video again.